Well, I am here at the Dry Oak Spring in the Yellow Cat area, and I'm taking this video to show the consequences of neglecting cattle fences that protect our rare desert spring ecosystems. So here is the fence, and part of it right there, and there's wire here, and it extends over that way. So this fence is supposed to be here. I'm not exactly certain why it's supposed to be here, but I am hoping that it was to protect these plants and all of these this shaded, wet ecosystem that does not exist in very many places in the desert. And so consequently there are endemic species of plants that may or may not exist at other locations in the desert that are similar to this. Also notice there's a lot of tadpoles here, which is kind of nice. And this pond, I actually did like a microscopic study of the pond, and it is teeming with all sorts of different life. There's little shrimp in here and zillions of protozoa, bacteria, diatoms, all kinds of rad things. But this area here, we can see there's a few little grasses trying to take hold in here. But it should look like that out in front there. And that, I believe, is where the adult frogs are going to live here, because those adult frogs, they can't leave this little area, they dry out. So this is the only place that they can live and reproduce here in the pond, and then live their adult lives up here in these shady, damp areas, feeding on the insects that come for the water, which I suspect at one time was a pretty good place to be a frog. But we're gonna get this fence fixed, and then we're gonna come back here a few times a year for the next 5 years and see how it does.